Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So we are back with our placement interview experience segment for you, and today's company is Symbol.ai. The job role is that of a QA analyst. So we'll be discussing everything from their package to the recruitment process to eligibility criteria. Do stay tuned to know more about the company.
Also, we have our own Telegram channel on which we keep on updating job updates, the interview experiences, our blogs. So if you want to be updated on our latest videos, you can join our Telegram group. Also, if anyone is interested in giving their interview experience on our channel, he can simply fill up a Google form that is also in the description box below, and we will contact him or her. So the role offered by Symbol AI is a QA analyst. The CTC that they are giving is 12 LPA. Eligibility criteria were nothing. No such eligibility criteria was mentioned by the company. There was an online test which was a workshop round. It will be explained more in with our guest today. And there were 3 interview rounds. There were 1 technical and 2 HRs. The first HR was more likely the technical part only, but this will also be explained in detail with our guest today. Before moving on with the interview experience segment, you all know that CAT is very much near, and every person preparing for CAT need a last minute preparations. So Unacademy has brought you 4 free full length mock tests that you can give on 24th, 31st, and 7th. And along after this test, you will be having live in-depth analysis, accurate and complete test performance report of yourself, and high quality video solutions for the questions that you want to know about. You have to register for this test. The link will be in the description box below. You can use our code BSW10 to avail some of the offers by Unacademy for last minute preparations.
So, hi guys, today we have with us Apurva, who has cracked the on campus recruitment process for Symbol.ai for the job role of a QA analyst. Welcome to our channel, Apurva.
Hello all.
So, before moving on, I would request you for a quick introduction.
Yes. So hello guys, myself Apurva Save. I am a graduate in computer science and currently recently started working in Symbol.ai as a QA analyst.
So let's move to the recruitment process now. So as it is a startup, there is a different way I can see it's starting from a workshop round. So can you brief us about the workshop round?
Yeah, it was predefined actually that it will be workshop will be provided, like has to be solved. So it was they shared some of the GitHub repository, and on which their projects were provided. So they asked us to pick any project you wish and make any possible changes you wanted to. So it was like a virtual environment was provided on which we can run the project and make possible changes, and we were given sufficient time to make changes, so it was all possible.
So what was the time that was provided to you to come up
It
with?
was like it was a kind of a day provided, like complete day given. Yes.
And the projects were given by them. You can pick up any project and make changes on any of them.
Yes, it were like React projects, Java projects, multiple projects were given. Yeah.
So after making those changes, were you asked to present it in front of anyone or just directly submit it and they would review it? And
yeah, there was an option to which we have to explain a video recording or like screen share recording, where I was supposed to explain what actual changes I did and what was my motto doing that.
So on that basis, you were moved to then technical round.
Yes. Then next was my technical interview. Yeah. So there I was expected to explain my projects, which I have done, like my internship tenure, what I did in that internship. And basically the project actually they wanted to hire for front end development. But so my stream or my basic skills and my internships were on front end development. So they showed more interest on my profile. So they asked mostly about HTML, CSS properties, Python basic, JavaScript basic is what I was interviewed on.
And what was the duration of it?
It lasted
the
for an hour. Yeah, it was lasted for an hour. Yeah.
So after that, I guess you were called for the HR, and you had two HR rounds, right?
Yeah, first HR round was also kind of technical, technical needs, like whether you are easy to do work from Pune, or kind of like basic, because I have applied for software front end development, and they then wanted me to join as a QA analyst. So
Okay.
they wanted to make sure that I am a proper fit for that or not. So they also interviewed in HR round, like what basic understanding I have for a QA analyst. So like what are testing, various type of testing I'm aware of, or do I have any exposure to a QA testing software, anything. So yeah, that was interviewed kind of.
So you were informed in this particular round itself that you will be hired for that you're interviewing for a QA analyst and not as a front end developer. Is that
Developer.
No, during my technical round, I was not aware, but during my first HR round, I was informed that we have a position for QA analyst now. So, are you willing for applying that? So, I was okay with it.
okay? Okay.
So then the questions were aligned to more towards QA analyst in HR.
Yes, yeah, but I was like, I have very least knowledge of QA technology, so I there only informed that I have really least knowledge, but ready to explore that part of domain also. So they said, no worries, we'll give a basic training beforehand. So yeah.
Okay. And even this round was again for an hour, about an hour.
Yeah, not an hour and half an hour, I'll consider half hour.
So it was more like technical questions rather than HR questions
Yeah.
related to QA analyst.
Yes, yes. Yeah, the HR second round was HR, pure HR round, like whether you are okay to work more hours, because it is an startup company. So obviously they have flexible. Though they are flexible with the timings. Like now it's been a week I have joined, so it was really very flexible. According, like they started your if you are okay, you can join at 10 a.m. also. Just we want is that work to be done, whatever time you join, it's okay. We want our work to be done. So yeah, it is good flexible timings are provided. But pure HR questions, like how can you prioritize, on what basis you will prioritize the work, or yeah, that kind of questions were asked.
And can you summarize the whole timelines as like when?
Right from applying on the college portal to the last round till you
Yeah.
get the result.
So after applying from a college portal, it took actually a long time for beginning the process. So it took half a month or more than that. And after that, the process was very smooth and rapid. So within like weeks, we got no. After that first workshop, even the results were delayed, because I guess that time this cyclone was there. So that process was delayed, and after that a random call was there from Rammer Symbol.ai, saying that we'll be processing further with your profile. So yeah, after that workshop, then technical round, then the same day I was told that you are proceeding for HR round. So it was like after the first workshop, everything was wind up within a week.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Yeah.
So I guess it's already been a week that you just said that you've started working. So
Yeah.
how is the work environment and how are you finding working in this company?
I'll truly say that work environment is very friendly. Like my first week was a kind of induction round only. So we are meeting several people, like from not only QA domain, they are like explore everything. So I met a data analyst also, or a data science person also, sales person also, production person also. So they are sharing their experience, their point of perspective, like how what they want us to make in this company. Like it is a developing company, so they want the best to come. Yeah, so it is really very work friendly, and very there, like you can communicate anything, you can over communicate, but please do not under communicate, is what they always force on. Like yeah.
That's the advantage of good startups. They
Yeah.
gave us the opportunity in every domain.
Yes, yes. It is really a good startup, or really a good platform to work with or start your career with. So if anyone is willing to apply or start with this company, can surely contact through their portal. There is a careers portal on which a person can contact through.
So Apurva, any tips for juniors to apply before applying in Symbol.ai?
Tips I'll say that mostly I faced in a interview was that, and the resume should be precise. Like whatever you put on resume, you should have a full stand on the resume. Whatever project they asked, like on what platform you started this project or everything, should be explored more. Like they explore more about a resume. They pick any point from the resume, what you learned from here, who was your supervisor, everything they asked. Like they wanted to know that you actually worked on that thing. It's not you like copy pasted thing. So they wanted to know everything about the resume is what one thing I observed. And the other thing is like any one of the language, say it's OOP or subject learning, it should be strong, at least focused on a one language, I'll say.
Okay, guys, with that, it's a wrap. Thank you so much, Apurva, for coming in and sharing your experience. Guys, Apurva's LinkedIn handle will be in the description box below, so feel free to reach out to her in case you have any queries regarding the recruitment process at Symbol.ai. And we'll be back next week with another interview experience segment for you. If you're still watching the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who are preparing for placements. Till then, take care and prepare well. Thank you.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you so much.